Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. The core question involved in the present writ petition is whether, in a case in which a dispute between the parties has been referred for decision by an arbitral tribunal appointed by the High Court, interim order, which is termed as an interim award, passed by it with a view to ascertain the feasibility, viability of the proposal for vertical division of immovable and movable properties and assets of the two private companies equally, after ascertaining the wishes of the shareholders and ultimately holding that the division is not practicably possible, can be made subject matter of challenge by initiating proceedings under Section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996 before the District Judge, Allahabad, being the principal civil court of original jurisdiction in the district. It is in the wake of the controversial question that the petitioner Deepak Mitra has prayed for a writ of prohibition to prohibit District Judge, Allahabad, from proceedings with the arbitration case number 18 of 1998, Ashok Mitra and others versus Srimati Sucharitra Mitra and others, and for a direction in the nature of a writ of certiorari to quash the orders dated 19/3/1999 and 9/10/1998 passed by him in the aforesaid proceedings. Para. Even otherwise, impugned order dated 27/7/1998 could not be made subject matter of challenge in the independent proceedings under Section 9 of the Act to seek interim measures of protection, including interim injunction, as such a course is devoid of any merit and substance. On the other hand, the court would be loath to put the stumbling block in the way of the arbitral tribunal to proceed with the case. In case of the above conclusions, the question is whether a writ of prohibition should issue in this case to prohibit the district judge from proceeding with the arbitration case number 18 of 1998. A writ of prohibition commands the court or a tribunal to whom it is issued to refrain from doing something which it is about to do. It prevents a court from assuming or threatening to assume jurisdiction which it does not possess. Thus, writ of prohibition lies both for excess of jurisdiction and absence of jurisdiction. The apex court observed that existence of alternative remedy may be more relevant in the context of a writ of certiorari, but where an inferior court or tribunal is shown to have usurped jurisdiction which does not belong to it, the consideration of alternative remedy is irrelevant and the writ of prohibition has to be issued as of right. Para. In the conceptuous of the above facts, the writ petition is well merited and has to succeed. It is allowed and a writ of prohibition shall issue to prohibit the district judge, Allahabad, to proceed with arbitration case number 18 of 1998 under Section 34 of the Act. The interim orders dated 9/10/1998 and all subsequent orders, including the order dated 19/3/1999, shall stand quashed. The arbitral tribunal shall proceed with the case unaffected, in any manner, by the order passed by the learned district judge in the aforesaid arbitration case. थैंक यू।
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक। तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है।